International Day of Light. Hope you enjoy it. Thank you.
This video?
Yeah. Does it sound good?
Yes, it's recording.
Hello everyone. On May 16th, we celebrate the International Day of Light. Why is light so important? That it gets its own special day. Light is all around us, from the warmth of the sun to the twinkling of the stars at night. It allows us to see the world, but its significance goes far beyond the human. Light power, scientific marvel. Light is a crucial form of energy for plants to grow, and for many technologies that we use daily. Studying light helps us to understand the universe's wonders. Light is essential. Light is vital for many living things. Plants use sunlight for food, and some animals rely on light patterns to navigate and survive. A global force. The International Day of Light promotes scientific cooperation and the potential of light-based technologies to improve our lives.
Celebrating light. This day is a chance to appreciate the amazing things light allows us to do. We explore how light is used in medicine, lasers for surgery, light therapy for communication. Light travels through fiber optics, making the internet possible. Art and culture. Light creates gifting articles like photography and film. Let's shine on.
The International Day of Light reminds us of the incredible power of light.
It's a call to action to explore its possibilities further and harness its potential for better.
So let us celebrate the wonders of light and find ways to use it to build a better world.
Thank you. Thank you for that presentation. Next up, we have the Do You Know presentation by the whole class.
Do you know that luminous objects emit light on their own? Non-luminous objects depend on other sources of light. Non-luminous objects reflect off other light. Some examples of luminous objects are glowworms, lightning, etc. And some examples of non-luminous objects are the moon and the human body. Thank you. Do you know that light travels in a straight line? This is called rectilinear propagation of light. Do you know that when the path of light is blocked, a shadow will fall? Don't be scared of shadow. It's just the obstruction of light.
Do you know that the rainbow is formed due to the dispersion of white light as it passes through the expressive medium? Are you aware that the only colors of visible light are red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet, popularly known as royal blue? Red has the longest wavelength, but lowest frequency, while violet has the shortest wavelength, the highest frequency.
Are you aware that if all the colors of light are reflected from a surface, we see it as white? And if all the colors of light are absorbed from a surface, we see it as dark?
This is how to make a convex lens. Look at the picture through the empty transparent glass.
of the air above the world caused by refraction of light rays.
Do you know that some shades are meant for vanity or show off, and tinted glass pupils are meant for power? They are actually used to use scattered rays of light to travel in just one direction. This is called polarization of light.
Do you know that when a body's surface is placed on a part of light is reflected? Do you know that when two mirrors are inclined, the number of images that appear depends on the angle of reflection? Do you also know that without light, you can't see during the day and during the night? Next up, we have the significance of light by Akari, Abraham, and Thank you.
Light is more than just an illumination. Here are some key areas where light plays a fundamental role. Vision. Light helps us see the world around us. Our eyes detect different wavelengths of light, which our brain interprets as color. Energy. Light is a form of energy, crucial for photosynthesis and the basis of the fusion. Light is also applied with various technologies like lasers and fiber optics. Understanding the universe. Studying distant stars and galaxies very far away from us really help us to understand the universe's origin and evolution. Plants use sunlight for photosynthesis, while some animals rely on light for navigation and hunting.
Light versus darkness. Light is often associated with good, hope, understanding, and knowledge. Darkness is referred to evil, ignorance, and fear. Religion is spirituality. Many religions use light as a symbol of the divine or enlightenment. For example, Jesus is known as the light of the world in Christianity. Essence. Light is a fundamental force shaping our world. From the tiniest biological processes to the vastness of the universe. It allows us to see, understand, and interact with our surroundings. It also makes it a vital part of our scientific, biological, symbolic, and practical experience.
So let's light up our world. Make the most of it. You need phenomenal innovation.
Its power and efficiency shines through our lives. And with its coming, darkness died.
Thank you.
The last but not the least, we have the spoken word titled Oath of Night by Evan and Ryan.
But first the revelation. Paints the world in brightness, chases away shadows. From the first part of creation, the dance of what is a simple sunlight, walk, you see the earth. Sunlight, walk, you see the earth. Moonlight, cool. Firelight, flickering and fierce, the story ends in lovely. Sunlight, distant and eternal, sing with my lovers.
Light exposes, reveals the truth, both beauty and scars we have. It guides our way, a beacon in the storm, a promise we can't outrun in time. Light can heal, a gentle touch, a spark that ignites the bloody fire. But misused, it can blind, a weapon of destruction and containment. Yet, within each of us, a flicker, a potential to ignite, the power to choose kindness to the light and touch to the light. Let's rise like fireflies in the dark.
A constellation vast and bright. Together, we can banish shadows and usher in a future ever so bright. So, let your light shine, a beacon for all to see. Let it chase away fear and set the world eternally free. Be the light, be the change, be the hope we desperately need.
For in the grand tapestry of existence, it's your light that is spread. Thank you.